up in the wood in the common. I'll find out the name of it. I'll have to get the name of it. Just above Pant in Shropshire. I think this is a viewpoint, but it's not the best weather today. In the beginning of February the 8th actually. Yeah, this is Llynclys Common, just above Pant in Shropshire. Pant's just between Welshpool and Oswestry. It's a grey old day, unfortunately, today. Yeah, so we're here wandering around the various trails on Llynclys Common. Very famous around here for the lime kilns, and you've got Llynclys, down sort of a bit further on down the road. But yeah, we're sort of following the trails and just generally getting lost and trying to find which trail's which, but it's alright. We're out walking out and about, and actually it's warm enough now. Although the scenery is not very good. No, I should say, because of the weather, the scenery is not very good. Yeah, it's alright. Definitely took the muddy option here. I think it gets better as we go along. But, there's a jay making a noise up around here. I mean, here's a Saturday, we haven't seen a soul. Unusual. What's on? Ah, right. Yeah, it's a shame it's a bit misty today, but there'll be some terrific views. Yeah, there's lots of different trails here. Different way markers. It seems like some of the way markers are missing, I think, but there's loads of different trails. Off down the blue route, I think. Yeah, they've been doing a lot of maintenance to the trail there. A lot of stone being put down. Still dropping down. Getting closer to the road, main road now. You can hear it. Yeah, I think it's all part of the Shropshire Way and the different trails and routes. Okay, here's another map of all the routes and trails, and the red part where we are here now, or you are there. Yeah, as in Herefordshire. There's some good walks in Shropshire as well. The Shropshire Hills, and which is always nice because it's like very on our doorstep as such. So, I'm sure. See what else we can see.